In the last video we covered how to actually add a product into the shopping cart, and now we're going to cover how to add images. So first thing we need to do is find an image. Typically I will grab them from the internet. I will right click on an image and copy image location. Doesn't always work, but 9 times out of 10 it does. And there we go. Add that image. And then I'm going to go back and grab another because there's another feature I want to show you, which is the rollover image option, which is quite attractive when people are looking at the cart. And we just go to images here. You can add as many images as you want, and you can even add images for product options, which we're going to cover in another video tutorial, so that when somebody pricks a different colour, flavour, size, a different image can be displayed. And if we just click save and close, that's now saved. So we'll go back to our products, refresh the page, and you'll see now it's got the jammy dodgers. And you'll see, because we added a second image, it has what's called the image rollover. So when the mouse goes over the image, it changes. This only works on desktop, it doesn't work on mobile, unfortunately. And then when somebody's actually in the product, you can see now that the different images are available to look at. And we're also going to show you how to create images on a mobile phone, which is really super easy. You just use the camera, and also create images for different product options